Hello everyone, I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today I wanted to share some of my favorite beauty products. This last month was such a difficult month for me. So I thought it would be so important to practice some self-care and to really take good care of myself and of my mental health. So I thought it would be so much fun to create a little self-care pampering basket with all of my favorite beauty products, just to help me to take good care of myself, to take good care of my mental health. So I thought it would be so much fun to create this little basket with all of my favorite products that I can use to just like feel better, do my skincare routine, and yeah, just to relax and to just feel happier and healthier about myself. I thought it would be so much fun to share this with you, for how to create a beautiful self-care basket for a nice pamper day. I just love this packaging so much. It's the Ladurée Rose Body Wash. I love the gold. It's so pretty. I love the little flowers in pink and the gold. My favorite truffle chocolates. They're like white champagne truffles. They're so delicious, such a lovely little treat, especially for my self-care day. I just love to make these little pamper baskets. It's so lovely. I also got this really adorable heart eye mask, sleeping mask. I think it's so pretty. It's like satin and pink, and it has these little hearts. And I think as part of your self-care routine, having like a very good night's sleep is very important as well. I always try to sleep between 7 and 9 hours. Usually I'm around 8 hours sleep at night. I think it's so important to have a good night's sleep as well. But the thing with me is I'm a night owl, so I love to work at night, and before I know it, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I really want to go to bed more early. So I have like a long day ahead of me, but I do love sleeping in. That's my favorite thing to do. I just love to sleep the mornings away because I'm not really a morning person. So I do love to sleep in for a little bit. That's my favorite thing to do. I also have this like mask, like blossom masks. This is really good for your skin, and I always love to have a nice and relaxing bath with some bath salts and then have my mask in the bath. I think that's so lovely and so relaxing, and then I light my favorite candle. Have some nice relaxing music in the background and just pretend that I'm somewhere on a beach or like somewhere very relaxing, like close to a waterfall or something like that, or just being in nature. I just love to do that, just to unwind and to relax, and to have a bath is my favorite thing to do. These are my bath salts. They're infused with rose water and they smell so good. I just love to have a nice relaxing bath. It's my favorite thing. Especially when I'm like really stressed, like a bath is really always helping me to relax. and to like really being in the moment, which is so important these days, just to try to be more in the moment. So yeah, I just love to take a nice and relaxing bath. I just love the packaging of these masks. It's so cute. So yeah, so there are like a couple of masks in here. This is what they look like. I think it's so pretty, the packaging. And yeah, I just love to have like a nice and relaxing mask, just to detox my skin. This packaging is just so pretty. I think it's perfect for the spring season. I love the pink blossom. Also, one of my most favorite things to do, especially in the spring season, is to go for a walk and to look at all the beautiful blossom trees. Here in the UK, like the blossom trees are so gorgeous, and they're really like painting the streets pink, and it's just so gorgeous. And I just love to go for a nice walk to my favorite park, which has the cutest little squirrels. They're just living there, and it's so adorable. But they are having like the most gorgeous pink blossom trees there, and every spring I just love to come there, admiring all the beautiful trees, see the little squirrels, and yeah, it's just such a lovely thing to do. And it's so nice to be outside, to be in nature, and it's always very healing for me as well. We also live very close to the seaside, so I also always love to go to the sea and watch the waves passing by. That's also very relaxing to me. So when I'm having like my little pamper self-care day, I just love to go for a walk and admire all the beautiful nature around me. It's my favorite thing to do as well. This is my little tea. I think it's so pretty. I found it at TK Maxx, and the packaging is so gorgeous. It's like little pink blossoms, and it's an English blend tea, so it's my favorite tea as well. And I just love the little heart, and yeah, it's so adorable. I think having like a cup of tea is just so nice and relaxing. So having like a really adorable tea is so cute. So yeah, and then I can have my tea with my little chocolates, which is my favorite. So yeah, my little candle. I found this pink candle from TK Maxx. I found this candle from Tesco actually, and this one is so pretty for spring. It has like the shape of a little flower. It's really pretty, and yeah, I just love to light some candles at home. So relaxing, and it makes your home look all cozy and pretty, and yeah, I just love it so much. I also have this little rose mask, which is like pink. It smells really good, and it's really soft and nice on my skin, so I love to use that one as well. And of course, drink lots of water. It's so important to get your body all hydrated and to drink a lot of water, especially with the warmer weather coming up. So yeah, I just love to drink from my Stanley mug. I just love the pink color, it's so gorgeous. this is my little pamper self-care basket. I just love to practice some self-care, and I think it's so important that you take some time out of the day and do just something that relaxes you and that makes you happy. It can be like as simple as having a cup of tea while watching your favorite television show, or reading a magazine while having a cup of tea with a little treat. You can have a nice and relaxing bath with your favorite bed salts and your favorite soaps and lotions. So yeah, I think it's so important to take care of yourself, and I think this is such a lovely idea just to collect some things that you can really use, like some masks, or some bath salts, or some tea. So just some little things that will help you to have a nice and relaxing day. I also love this idea to give as a birthday present or as a little gift. So yeah, I think it's such a cute idea. You just go to your local store and get some really cute little things, and just make a little cute pamper basket for your loved ones, for family or friends. So yeah, so I loved creating this little self-care basket, and I truly hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.